speculation is rife that Megan Fox has already secretly married her fiancé Machine Gun Kelly. The couple attended a basketball game over the weekend and received a shout-out in the game. The announcer introduced them as a married couple, saying, "Please welcome Machine Gun Kelly and his wife, actress Megan Fox." Fox is seen laughing in response to their introduction, with MGK covering his face with his drink upon the mention of his name. She is then seen talking to her fiancé. Footage of the moment, shared on Instagram, shows the actor leaning into her partner, though she covers her mouth with her hand partway through her comment. Although it raised questions over whether the couple had secretly gotten married, many viewers took to the comments section of the post to speculate that this wasn't true. A number of people suggested in the comments section that it had been a mistake, with them theorizing that she had responded by saying to her partner, "I'm not your wife." The actor, 35, got engaged to the musician, 31, whose real name is Colson Baker, earlier this year, with her having announced the news to her followers on social media. The couple, who went public with their relationship 2 years ago, attended the NBA All-Star Game on Sunday in Cleveland, with them spotted courtside during the game. MGK was seen with his arm around his fiancée, who has appeared in a number of films including Transformers and Jennifer's Body, at the recent basketball match. Fox got engaged to her new beau Baker at a luxury spa resort in Puerto Rico last month. She posted a video of the moment on social media after accepting his proposal. Baker, known as MGK, told fans that he had proposed to Fox beneath the same branches they fell in love under, with this understood to have been in Puerto Rico. Do you enjoy reading about celebrities? Sign up for all the best celeb news from the Mirror here. The musician, who has a child from a previous relationship, said that he had designed the engagement ring himself, with the help of renowned jeweler Stephen Webster, 63. Earlier this month, Fox's ex-husband Brian Austin Green, 48, with whom she shares 3 children, announced that he and his partner Sharna Burgess, 36, are expecting a baby. The couple had been partnered together on ABC's Dancing with the Stars last year. As well as his children with Fox, Green has another child from a previous relationship,